everyone, my name is Anjali and we are going to start our new course which is on Google Slides. Yes, so as you know, first video we learn about the topic what we are going to learn. So yeah, what is Google Slide? So Google Slide is also a tool which is provided by a Google. Okay, and in this tool you can create a presentation for your school, for your company, or for any other thing you want. So in Microsoft Word you create these Google presentations on PowerPoint, right? So it is exactly like PowerPoint, but it is much easier to use as compared to PowerPoint. Here you and your friends can work on a same project at the same time. Let's assume here, as you can see, I have so many presentations, so many slides are created. So let's open any one slide. Let I open this slide, and in this slide you can see share option. When I click on this share option, here it is shared to me by by my student. So Google Slide is different from, see, he is asking ask owner to share. Okay, so I can't share it, but yeah, Google Slide is different from PowerPoint as it allows you to share your work with others through digitally, and you don't have to save your work time by time, uh, as you have to do in present PowerPoint, because it automatically gets saved on your Google Drive. So this is how Google Slide is very important. Here you can get so many templates to work on. These templates, just you have to edit and write your content in these templates and your presentation will be ready. So yeah, in this course we are going to learn about Google Slides, how to use it, and what are its features like we did in our previous videos. So here are also many options. So in this course we are going to learn about how to create a slide, how to edit slide, how to create slide from a scratch, and if you want to create any document in any slide from the templates, then how to use them, what are these templates. So yeah, we are going to learn all these things. I hope my videos will help you to grow and create many more projects. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and in our next video we are going to learn first lesson, that is how to start this Google Slide, how to log in into Google Slide, and after that we will learn about its features and all. So yeah, thank you for now and see you in the next video. Bye bye.